It's the Jordan 1 BioHacks barbecue brown, Baroque brown. I don't know what the hell they call these, but welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and I'm back today with another video, man. So today we are coming back with another shoe unboxing review on foot. I'm bringing it on foot for y'all today as I got my size in this shoe. But first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down here, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. I'll be getting like mad views from people who are not subscribed, man. Just subscribe, bro. Help a brother out. But yeah, man, we back today with a shoe unboxing. So yeah, let's hop into that. All right, so bam, we're back with a Jordan 1. As you guys see from the title, it's the Jordan 1 BioHacks barbecue brown, Baroque brown. I don't know what the hell they call these, but it's a Baroque. I don't know, man. But we're just gonna call these the Biohacks, Japan Biohacks, man. As you guys can see, it's a Jordan 1 size 9. I got multiple pairs of these yesterday. I was able to pick up a size 12 and a size 6. And I have already sold a pair of size 7. So, yeah, picked up like 6 pairs, 2 online, 4 in store for retail. So it was a pretty good day overall yesterday, man. But stay tuned to this week. I'm bringing a lot more videos. August pickups for reselling and stuff. I picked up like a bunch of shoes. I picked up more over there for September, but I don't know if those gonna be sold by the time I get to cover that. Laser orange 3s review coming, satin black toe 1s, you know, a little throwback, and the Air Max 270 Travis Scotts. Those will all be covered this week. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and oh yeah, I gotta do a copper drop for September as well. Running kind of late on that. So quick about the background of these shoes. These shoes serviced the internet, I guess, like early in the year, but I really didn't pay much mind to it because, like I said, it's a Jordan 1. You know how Jordan brand is doing this year. They're just releasing a bunch of Jordan 1s because it's hot, and the colorways are all over the place. Me, I'm a fan of the classic colorways. Yeah, I do have the shadow backboards, but you can see I have the breads over there. And yeah, man, I'm just a fan of the classic colorways. The more wackier these colorways get, the less I like them personally. But the demand is very high on them, man. The prices still on the secondary market is still super high. Like resell is around 300 for these, and the supply was particularly high as well because all the Foot Lockers by me had them. You know what I'm saying? Like even the smaller ones. So I'm surprised like price is so high and demand is so high for these. But yeah, man, not really much to say. Just another Jordan 1. Personally, I didn't pay much mind to it, but without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing and let's see how I feel about them, man. This is actually my first time looking at them besides in store, like having them in hand. I just got home and I didn't even take a look at them. As you guys see, the inside is another just regular Jordan 1 paper. And boom! Here are the shoes, man. Here are the shoes. As you guys could see, let me give you guys another 360 on these Jones. And then yeah, I'm gonna bring you out to the B-roll. Alright, so color blocking of the shoe. The main color the shoe is named after is this Baroque brown, barbecue brown, I'm gonna call it, in the back. I don't know why it's the main attraction of the shoe. And disclaimer, I'm a little colorblind, like I'm red and green colorblind, and like colors, you know, they kind of fuck me up. So going to this color breakdown is gonna be a little bit tough, but bear with your boy. The heel is brown, and then the tab by the Wings logo, Jordan Wings logo, is also brown, and that's the main attraction, but that's all their brown is to the shoe, man. It comes with a black Wings logo, as you guys can see. And then going on to the other colors, the mid panel on the Jordan 1 is black, and it's a suede material, and then followed by a leather silver check going up, and the toe box is a like teal or turquoise, and then the toe going up the middle is a purple. These also come with black laces and an extra pair of pink laces. I would just throw the pink in there, man. It's already wacky, just throw the pink in there. And the midsole is aged in like an aged yellow one. They've been doing these on certain pairs, like the Nigel ones, just to, you know, give you that aged look, because that's what's hot, I guess. And then the outsole is black. Going up to the tongue is orange. I believe that's orange. Kind of looks yellow to me, but it's orange just because the best detail on this shoe, I feel like, is the inside of this detached tab right here, and it is yellow. Then the inner lining is racer pink. Also, the inside of the tongue is pink. And then I really like this detail where it's like a raw cut on the tongue, followed by like a patch instead of the regular Nike Air. The Nike Air is threaded in pink as well, followed with a black patch, and then finished up with the teal stitching going around. That is really cool. I have to give them props for that. But that one was kind of looking like, because they call these the Tokyo ones, so that follows like the Tokyo, if you guys seen the silver pair. And then the inside, the sole, I don't know if you guys can see, is turquoise with pink Nike Air. But yeah, overall, like I said, it's a very wacky colorway. They have like 8 different colors on one shoe, which is completely too wacky for me. Jordan 1s, personally, I like classic colorways. Like you guys can see, I have the Shadow backboards, but I also have Breads, Royals, Shadows. Those are more my type of speed. But yeah, these is kind of wacky. So sizing, I would go with Jordan 1s. Just go true to size. And if you want to, you can go half size down for a more snug fit. My Jordan 1s, I'm a size 9. I usually wear Jordan 1s in the size 9, so I get a size 9. But 8.5s fit pretty good as well. Can't really complain. Here's just the other shoe to show you guys. It will already be covered in the B-roll, but you know, just give you guys another look. Like, yo, got both shoes. You feel me? The material is kind of like a suede-ish or something, I think. And yeah, this suede kind of material, and then the check is leather. That's the only thing leather about this shoe, I believe. All right, so let's get into the on foot. Now I'm gonna bring you guys since it's a size 9, and I'm gonna come back and wrap up the video. Alright, so wrapping things up with my final opinion on these shoes. If you guys watched the video, you guys already know, like, I really think it's a wacky colorway. So I would personally not wear these after this video. If you guys want a size 9, hit me up. Instagram's down below. Or you can write me an email, whatever y'all want. PayPal, whatever. You guys can buy it off of me, man. But I think it's a very wacky colorway. I have too many pairs of shoes already. So these reviews are always like that. I have too many pairs of shoes, man. And these probably won't be going into the collection. Like I said, I like classic Jordan 1s. These, everybody just like Jordan 1s, man. I be telling people, yo, these are really ugly. Like, I go into Foot Locker and they be like, yo, what you think about these? How you think resale is gonna be? I'm like, yo, these shits is trash. You feel me? These shits is really trash. But I don't know. Everybody likes them. And they kind of look cool on foot, yeah, I guess. But it's just not my type of speed. So, not a fan. But Jordan 1, you know, buy multiple pairs, sell them for the high. Rinse and repeat. But that's the end of this video, man. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, leave a comment, and make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. Your boy is out of here.